Welcome back. Bartat JA, welcome back again, you know. Let's have to sort out some things and highlight some things and just ruffle out some things and, you know, boy, the lockdown thing here, boy. Yeah, so just want to big up all the subscribers, all the viewers, listeners out there who wanted Bartak to come back and realize it's a necessity. Right now, it's like the sugar in the coffee right now. You get what I say? So big up my friend them in the bar. So we have we have people like who again? We have the Yads, we have the Ngovos, the Girouds, and the Teachers.
Yeah, man.
All of them have them own little fans and them own little followers. So welcome them back. We have in the bar. Oh, that Sexy Gwen. Oh, that Keisha. And Marvin. Big up yourself, Marvin. Right now, to kick it off, give me 2 glass and a book. White rock.
What the man I do with 2 glass? You with that man?
Over. I don't know where you're watching me for. Over to the man. The man, the people in here back on the voice here. Like
yeah, man, I want a buckle of Bell Normandy.
What is that?
I would have.
Like some French,
That sound like a white 60-year-old girl from South Africa, brother.
Yeah, Bell? I want some Bell in a glass.
Cold Guinness from the Marvin. Cold Guinness for the teacher, yeah. With a cup of ice set speed.
Melon beer.
Mission teacher.
Melon beer.
Melon, eh?
Melon beer.
You want?
The def melon beer with a flask of rum. That's the mix.
White so.
It's our
A fresh, brand new season, man. Season. Episode 1.
brand new season.
Season few. Episode 1.
Season,
Brand new season.
Few.
Season 2. Season few. Season 1 plus 1. Season 3 minus 1.
Alright.
So, kick it off.
Yeah, man. So, brand new season, brand new topic. Today, we're going to talk about the myth of emancipation. So, chattel slavery was an economic system that was not abolished in the 1800s. It was not abolished, but rather it was remodeled and modernized. And today, what we have is like a new type of slavery. It is oppressive, and the marginalization of the masses still continues as it has ever.
May I just interject? Who we are considering to be the masses in the podcast?
The black masses
must have a particular look,
Yeah.
shape, figure,
Color.
class, system, or culture. So who are the masses again?
Yeah, man, we're talking about the black masses,
Okay.
no? Descendants of the motherland Africa. So I'm saying
Yeah,
that
West
this
Africa in
system,
particular.
the economic system that exists today in modern day Jamaica and most of the capitalist world, it is still oppressive. It still marginalizes the masses. So it's like slavery still continues, but the tools of slavery change. So no longer them I use the whip, but now them I use the almighty dollar,
Psychology.
inflation, unemployment, and them things. So that's where I start out in idea.
The money
So-
system.
Yeah. So I just make everybody give them few open remarks and they will just go deep on a discussion. Giroud. Yeah, man, tell about how you say farms where it's like we're still under slavery in 2021.
Yeah, well, we're still under slavery, you know, because, all right, we can go back to plantation society, right? And I would say sugarcane done with. And that was the main form of slavery back then. But pre the logics and pre the levels, we have a new form of plantation out there. And them call centers. Now,
Yo, me, that's every 9 to 5 in a Giroud, and those call center. Every 9 to
Every
5.
9 to 5.
yeah, every 9 to 5, yeah, but at the bottom of the pile.
So you go over, you're a slave then.
All the way work, all the way. You know, work for somebody. and when you I just thought the layout, you know, when I say call center, I thought the layout. I'm used to be there now one of them. And the layout is just like that. You have a whole heap of people at work, and them a work for the lowest wage.
Sweatshop, eh?
Sweatshop. Them not have no rights. Them not no I'm for call that now. Health.
Look at job security. Yeah, man.
Not even that. So the turnover rate is so high, and the requirements to enter is basic. 2 CXC. You have call center now where all you need are a 2 CXC.
Some of them are none in a brother.
Well, see there. So and when you check the layout inside of them, it coming like you know when you have the plantation owner, and then you have the what you call them now the man them are the inside slaves, the house slaves.
Slave driver.
So them they would be like the I'm gonna call them now the management them. Ensure say you had this, ensure say you log in, ensure you
all a piece and never that to get paid in a US, break it down a Jamaican. Them a get paid in a US, meanwhile the sweatshop workers get paid in a Jamaican.
The diva the Jamaican dollar. The worst thing that.
No, you know how wicked that is? Them people hey.
Exactly. So that's one of my I guess viewpoints where in terms of the system itself and in terms of how we can use the system for say the basic resemblance of the plantation society is still there.
Yeah man, I agree with that one in Nigeria. Them the call center them are the living, breeding farmer slave right now. Not no lie.
I'm gonna give my 2 cents now. I agree with Giroud.
But you ain't 2 cents.
No man, I want to, I know if I count that way. So I don't want to talk when I gas I'm set to. Anyways, I've agreed with Giroud, especially with the car centers too. And one more thing to enlighten it, not to back it up.
One up on the back. Okay, I want this way I back it up. I mean man I DJ.
Even for example, even in Portmore here, you have this place we call Baju. You know, you still have the same plantation system over there. The same plantation system where the owner will look down upon the workers them. Same way how the plantation system they stay on the farm and everything, same way it stay. But just more modernized because the workers them I get paid now. With no rights.
I don't really agree. Me would say them get paid now, yeah, because all I go on is like they get enough money. Cause remember I say no, all slave back in the day, them they give the slave them food for eat and give them something for sleep.
But in this time, they give them money.
And them never work naked. So basically, nowadays you get enough pay just to buy food, so you know drop down on the work. See me?
Go back at work.
I've come back the next day. So basically, I get paid just to come work the next day. So I wouldn't say them I get paid.
Well, as I said, one thing I would disagree with still, it wouldn't be all 9 to 5 for me. It would be some
every 9 to 5 in Jamaica come like a slave here there now.
But say I give my 2 cents. Alright, it wouldn't be all 9 to 5.
Yeah, man.
And the bad thing is this too. It's not only what really happen now. Some black man are turned slave driver now. That's the fuck up thing. Sorry for your language. So that are the messed up thing. The black man them turn slave driver. Or roast breadfruit them. Or Oreo. And then we burn. Don't like them people there. Because when people get power, it's a different side of them. The higher the monkey climb, you know the rest.
Yeah man, that's not new enough because from them slavery days there, they used to make some of the more seasoned slave beat the masses, you see me? So that's one right again. Teach, I got you.
Yeah man, glad so I mentioned the whole BPO thing and anyway, mentioned the whole BPO thing, but we have to look on the North Coast, the hospitality service, we'll call the hotel sector. Them people feel it as well. You know what I mean? Because the money where them I get, as we had say, I think our NGov mentioned it, them pay them enough so them can go back out the next day. Because most of these people can't afford to spend part of them salary to enjoy themselves at any one of those hotels. So it's like, it's just a job. In the plantation, nice pretty hotel where them can't even lie down and relax. Without have to watch the next dollar or even say, boy, me have things for the family for take care and this and that. So it's like a big plantation on the North Coast as well. You know, when we provide jobs and so, but as I was say, the bulk and the profit go overseas. Most of these hotels are owned by overseas interests. Yeah, the government get a little money for them, but guess what? The local man no feel nothing in pocket, him not see nothing. Him just get pressure that I might take on that. On a big North Coast plantation thing. Yeah. Next person jump in.
No man, you know, so all government will get the money off of tourism, you know, because when they pre, you know, you have a little thing named one tourist incentive act with them pass where you must think every 5 years them get like a tax break. That's why I find that every 5 years you see the whole of the name of the yeah man have a tax holiday thing.
Benefits.
If you notice it, every 5 years all the hotel them name change. So you must change the name in order to get another fresh 5 years tax holiday again. So the government now and the people them now really benefit from the hotel thing, no way in our farm.
Tax holiday like wow.
Yeah man, I really think man. So the government now benefit from that.
What we are talking about the myth, you know. So the myth mean is within every myth there is a true story, you know. You get what I'm saying? And there's truth between every myth. It's just that say it might rewrite a different way. You get what I'm saying? So if we say the myth of emancipation, what exactly we are saying? Say if the emancipation different from independence, you know. Abolition different from emancipation, you know. You get what I'm saying? I think we get the slave thing get abolished when? What, 1870 something? How it go?
Where are you
So far the
abolition of slavery.
The trade abolished first, and then eventually
the trade is
slavery itself
first thing work off another trade, you know, being abolished. So it means you're not no more slave. So you're not no more slave or contract. So it just means that whatever slave in the country now, that are the only slaves supposed to come in the country. Yeah. So when now a situation arises, you know, when they must say, all right, the fact that the slave them in the country and can't get no other slave in the country, it means the work things start get sticky. So the industrialization things start creep up, you know, where people start use technique and strategy and weapon and all sort of things. On the plantation now make things easier. Beach should start coming.
You have to put it this down. Well, on man, you have to remember, say, the crown give back the money or compensate the planters them, you know. Don't forget that, you know. So
no, man, when them get the money there, abolition or emancipation?
No man, I mean up to what day they get money, you know. And up to not 2,000
them get money, man.
So that may I say
something was 20, 15, 18 in itself.
So and it was what 20 million pounds at that point in time. I think that's something like so. 20 million pounds.
Yeah, but when I to Solomon is always
a series. When I try to make an honest, a series of change you taking now. And all of the series of change have to suit the rich class or the white man. You understand me, I say?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So which one of them then is more relevant in Jamaican society? Is it emancipation or is it independence?
Because but right now, you look on other things, like emancipation come first. That's why I would say, right, but then, the emancipation part of it.
Come on, listen what I'm saying now. Because the other day, the Prime Minister and him team have said they want to remove Emancipation Day and just celebrate one day, Independence Day, and call it the time frame Emancipendence. What kind of foolishness that when, as a black people, we're supposed to have free with emancipation from slavery?
No, but when we are trying to show a jury, it's not like say we emancipated because all it was just a series of change.
I don't know,
the white man. So it's not like to them. It's not. Trust me. It's a
benefit out of this. Planter class
nobody benefit. No benefit because end of the day the man that work the man them with a work and a mash up themselves by slavery, whatever emancipation go on. If you redundant some man, cause basically redundancy. So yeah, some I say yo, the man them basically redundant. A portion of people. It's like it's them alone get a PF package.
People you talk about the slave them, the
The
ex-slaves,
slave them,
former slaves, yeah.
you get me? I say, no, but just put them in the context so nowadays language. Nowadays slavery language, which is redundancy. What then call it? You have redundancy, you have what? Laid off, you have a couple of others.
Get fired.
Redundancy,
Resign, retire.
Resign, retire, all of that is slave language, you know. Because most times when either one go on, you're not in a better place than where you start off more some of the time, you know.
That's the thing, yes.
Ex-slaves them get a beating still because the planters them get some money
slavery
from England as compensation.
Exactly.
Slaves them come out, so they close on them back.
Come like
a mule and land,
the money must get 20 million pounds. Them time there.
Planter class. That's the planter class.
Who get that now? The slave them?
Yeah, man, the ex-slave owners them. Farmer slave owners.
The owners, the planter class, man.
So the owners get the $20 million.
Right.
From the government.
So, and it, to me, it come like the Chinese man them get free room to go build up middle class shops and them thing, the wholesale and them thing. Like they get free land.
Servants.
Yes, so that they get free land. Plantation. Yeah, the indentured servants, and no one may come and couldn't make it. You know
and the Indians them as well.
Get free win to go build up whatever they want to build up, whatever, to keep the buffer zone there between them and the black man them. The black man them will never know where them go.
Exists.
Exactly. We don't know where the black man them go. You can't turn. I can't turn because town was the big bad place to live one at a time. Them, so I can't turn. So where the man ain't go, I where them end up push the black people them.
So underground basically, but Salaman, hear me I say the basically to me still slavery is a system where the people who work don't benefit from them labor. Basically, you see me, and it's like we still have that nowadays.
And that may sure.
You see the biggest slave masters now are financial institutions. Might have about banks, even insurance.
Wrong name you give them. Wrong name you give them.
Them are the viper them.
Come on, insurance and a slave driver, man. Insurance
that's why the dog said all that to me come under financial institution.
Yeah, man, all of them.
Collect your money and collect money if you give back something.
Because why is it that you borrow? Say you borrow money to buy a car, isn't it?
Services to it.
Yeah. So you borrow money to buy a car, isn't it? If you buy $100 from them, it's like you end up pay back $200, you know.
Yeah, man.
Why is it them could just say, all right, then you borrow $100, just pay back $120, then make a food, you have a car, all good.
No, but
you
why
can pay back $200.
Why is it that you're paying? Why are you paying education tax, housing tax, income tax, NIS tax, the amount of tax? Where the whole of them they go to? Where the whole of them they go to? Where the whole of them they go to?
Yeah, we get the tax returns.
No, but where the whole of them something they go to? Where you pay?
People, now the third class land, type of them thing there. Where them money they go to what?
Yeah, where the whole of them money they go?
Yeah, man, there's dropping in the chat.
Property tax, mortgage, the whole of them something there. Where them go? Brother, if you buy a house, the amount of sitting still where if you buy a house, you have to go pay. You have to go pay realtor,
stamp duty.
You pay stamp duty, you pay a lawyer, you pay a surveyor, you have to pay a mortgage, you pay a loan. Yo!
The more that thing we have to buy a piece of house for real, you know. I know the word in the day, Solomon. I know you own the house, you know.
I know you own the house.
I know you own the house at the bank.
I know you own the house.
Just miss a payment and so I'm there.
Yeah, man, them take it back.
And then now, them look on you and tell us, all right, then now, they must set up an institution for so a poor black people, they're not supposed to want to help get a home, you know, because we've been homeless for 400 going to 600 years. We've been homeless. So, yes. We want to go in a home. So we go in a national housing trust.
Oh, but Solomon, they never forgot this because I know the masses don't own the land, you know. Most people, most black people in Jamaica.
And that may I try to show you,
don't own the land.
The real wealth, you know,
No, but we're not.
that's the real
No, but
wealth.
we're not. But we still.
Land.
But them decide to give it housing.
Real wealth, land.
Them decide to give it housing trust so that we
How
can.
much people can take advantage of housing trust?
That's the next point.
Because basically, have to prove the housing trust that you can pay them
How
back.
much
You know.
people? How much
But
black
yet still
masses?
the
How
money
much of the
come out
black
your salary
masses?
as tax.
How much
But-
of the black
but
masses tied to housing trust?
But
Queen man,
now the
Queen
Queen
man
still
down.
own the land. Now the Queen still own the land.
Yeah, man,
Peanut
crown
man
land,
them
them
down.
call it, man, crown land.
Crown land, them call it now.
Crown
Queen
lands, man.
still own the land, them, you know.
Guess what? The same politician, them a thief up the land. We're not calling a name still, but watching the media, so I go on a certain
Man
part.
own 500
Eastern
acres
Jamaica.
of land. When
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man,
Where
and
they
Clarendon too. Clarendon too.
St. Thomas, we can't do the search, people.
I'm sure you a thing. I'm
Clarendon
sure
too,
you a thing.
teacher. You know, but the Clarendon one them too.
Yeah, man, me about that one that man. Them a thief
man.
up the land, them look by local. And
But
even
when
them not post them.
I'm going to righteousness, you know.
The man the Chinese.
Really and
now beg
truly,
them.
you know, really and truly, you know, any black man will own land right now and own all 500 acre and them sort of land, you know. I basically all them all it for one of the real rich man, you know. Because by right, you know, 3/4 of them black man, no matter how them wealthy, can't develop some of them land where they own, you know.
No, them can't develop them because you need every
Broke
machine.
them in an instant,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, man, them can't develop.
So where them really do all the land, so you and me can't get it.
Mm.
And now
Yeah,
wait
those
for
to
a white
deprive
man
the
to
masses.
decide
Yeah,
what
them
I
are
say.
deprive the
Only
masses
for
of the
that go on
land.
a
Mr.
country.
So and so,
Mm.
I'm seeing your land, you know, you're selling it. Oh God.
Yeah, them give you a money for it and so take away your land. You look like nothing, 'cause you know the
Yeah,
man
fire.
I'm
want the
not
money.
really so whosoever Mr. Charles or whosoever Mr. Bankins or whosoever Mr. Ring or whosoever Mr. Not really
Half and half.
own the land, them, you know. Them not really own them. Just it's like a man give you, it's like a man gone a foreign and give him house and say,
Go on,
yo,
live,
that,
you know.
watch
That's
your
why
house and stuff. So no man no come in your house and ramshack it.
But well on Solomon. So what the way forward? I said this will always be the case forever and ever. This not going to change.
The only way forward, and I've been saying this from the start.
So what the way forward?
The history from the start, the history I'm start reading.
Hold on, Solomon, before you get the way forward, I'm just drop one more thing in terms of we're still in the slavery thing. You see all insurance. Why is it that if you own a vehicle, you can't insure it until you meet an accident? Why you have to insure it every year? Or if you insure a vehicle for a year and you don't meet in an accident, why you can't get back your money at the end of the year since you don't use insurance?
Another
Same thing.
In case something
Same
happens.
thing with healthcare, brother.
Health insurance. So
Same
same
thing.
thing
Why
with
you
healthcare.
can't get back your money if you don't use it?
Prenup
Biggest
and go
scam.
over.
Yeah.
Make you reach in an accident and I forget back your money.
Oh God
What?
Almighty!
Maro.
Yo,
Unless you have to
God
name Bolt.
Almighty.
yeah,
Yo.
man.
You have to name Bolt to get back your money same time.
Bolt,
Months,
you better
years.
come. You better come with either your liver or your kidney on a platter.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
A Bolt. I don't want
Yes,
them
you know,
to
we are
crash
trying to
and
say
write our care and get
insurance
back
a
your
big
money.
scam.
Or a
same time.
young baby for
Gerald.
sacrifice.
The biggest scam the biggest thing, you know, are the credit card, you know, you mention that, you know.
Oh
You
God,
know,
man.
Man,
mention bank, man.
That
credit card is a rope for
turning
them
a
use, man.
baboon, man.
And
But
yourself,
credit
they
card-
say when you yourself, just get one of that,
But
man.
credit card is
Credit card,
an
yeah.
option where you choose. Not about you are drive. You have a car and you are drive. And I like say you can choose to get insurance.
You must get insurance.
You must get insurance.
No, but if Giroud, by the way, I living in Jamaica, you need like basically you must say probably you need a credit card.
Credit card, when you're ready for hang
Well,
yourself, yeah.
no, pray this.
When you're ready for
Well,
hang
no,
yourself,
pray
you
this.
get a credit card.
So you can't stay there.
People in the bar talk, pray this. You graduate from university. Them should have a credit card parliament and a car loan. And the first two things them should parliament.
First two
Yeah, so
things.
you had no matter about the first two things. I'm a student loan
First
for
thing.
pay. You know. If him not lucky like some rich man, you know. If go through school
Whenever
free, you
I
know.
line there for them show it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So-
So,
Oh,
Jerome,
man,
I see
you
where
have
you're still
chance to say
because
yeah or nay.
No, then put in a corner where you have to take
Yeah.
it. That's all they have
But you
said.
have to
So
take
you put in a corner, so you have to take the credit
So you
card.
have some
and
man
the
just
loan,
have to just take the evil. Some man have to just take it and done.
Yeah, cause evil. I saw Jamaica stay, you know. Cause I remember say in a Jamaica, you know, if you don't have a car, you know, so nothing basically, even a girl royalty, you know, say they need one of them something that.
tell them that.
Wow, put on your arm to your brother.
So you say,
So,
a car man and a girl in
one time it was, if you have a girl and you don't
And
have a phone.
Yeah,
No, read car.
from a DJ farmer.
Hey, you know what scam to? Scam is lockdown.
Who?
The
When I hear
lockdown
of
them
it.
are going are the biggest set of
Good
scam
gosh,
that
man.
ever.
Good gosh, man. Good gosh, man.
That is the ultimate knife in a black people back.
And
Yo,
the best type of slavery that
Poor black people. Poor black people. Cause
Solomon.
Poor black
Solomon.
people are the ultimate. So the mass we are talking about are the
Solomon.
ultimate knife that.
Yeah, pre-war
In them yai, in them back.
Man,
Solomon, yeah,
slavery.
pre-war go on. The lockdown go on, Zine. And it was them say no movement. But then after it done here on TV and say no movement, full lockdown, you see little things are slipping back. Some supermarkets can open and they'll do home delivery.
but not
Exactly.
corner shop.
Some restaurants can
Exactly.
open and they'll do home delivery.
But not the corner
Exactly.
shop.
Allow these
Not
people to go on the road and they'll
Then now what? Them put now
People are poor.
all call centers on essential list.
See
say
there?
everybody
So the
can
slave
all
man
can
can
take up on
bikers.
road.
All delivery courier service.
Yeah, man.
now
Black people, man. The black people, man. Poor black people.
Essential workers.
The hotel workers, them. See, it go back
Hotelier
where we are saying,
workers,
you know.
them essential you fuck.
Yeah, man. Them are the slave. Them are the slave. The
Sorry
thief
for the
slave.
language people, but your boy them topic here is a
church.
dicey one. It's a dicey one. Me I tell
And
you.
the church open up back so it can have like 20 people.
I know you bring the church tonight. The church are one of the main players of this manipulation, of this emancipation, abolition thing. You know. The Quakers, them are what them want name, you know. Them just come in and go on when it was a financial reason why them emancipate, you know. I abolish slavery, you know.
Yeah, man, it benefit them at the time.
Financial straight in, straight out. Just like if Mr. Big Business decides to say, oh boy, we need to lock down the sector and turn it in a more technological sector. I lock down 200 people just so no bomb, you know. You see what I say? And them 200 people have got flat and dead like fish out of water.
You know,
I think that was a decision.
That happened to my father separate, you know.
Well, on, man.
Mash up the man, you know, brother.
Solomon mentioned something. Well, on.
What you mean,
Solomon
man?
mentioned something. I didn't realize I mentioned. The institution of profit out of slavery, the churches, you know, the Quakers, them.
Churches, the most
them profit out
and
of
the
slavery.
Presbyterians, them.
Yeah,
the one them will follow the Lutheran,
the teacher, I know why them profit most from them. Because black people believe in our church.
Yeah, man.
That's the problem.
They get a bag of money to come down here.
And this and that.
Come down here to come preach about, it is so inhumane and all sort of thing.
So that's why
a bag of money them get to come set up Quaker church.
Square mile.
We are talking, man, to come set up
every local corner.
And 70 Adventists and all of them crap there.
Remember say them the blessed slavery, you know. Them the blessed the voyage them from Europe to go West Africa. All them get the blessed man.
Yeah, man.
And the crown them sail and
from the Pope.
But you know get what I say. The man them get money to come down here so during the whole emancipation when it a write up to say all right.
Free them up there.
They're gonna free them up, you know, but we still want them dumb and dunce and follow the backward tradition. So we're not gonna set up church everywhere. So one time a Catholic thing, no man, everything good now, man. We're not so hard and fast on the Catholic thing, man. Friends of Jesus and God, come in. We're gonna make the whole on come in, because from the whole on I sing from the same hymn sheet we good. So you have the same per capita church crap in
Jamaica. I say not much change now, you know, because church don't pay tax, you know.
Church don't, and end of the day, church is the biggest scam on earth. You know, I didn't say Christianity. I said the church is the biggest scam on Jamaica's land we love right now.
Pastor and them Gucci shoes and granny brokers.
You know what I say? Because the church get for a night. What you have a choose, I say, yo, you can't, what you want to say? You can't but what holy water can't wash whatever. Holy water that you name.
We should have
You
said
have a
to
true
No, no.
in a Jesse Royal or one of them boy there.
But if you
I
really,
would agree with that.
but if you really look on the church thing, really, because even if you profit out of the church, if you set up a church, it's easy for doing, because remember when we did, what I know, even the business, if we are doing a business, we set up all our business account, forget the whole heap of stuff them we abnormal black man and forget a bit normal business account. But if you set up a church, you need some of them something there.
Boom bang.
The man just capture a piece of land. And you're good.
And you're good.
I put a patent.
They get most things free, so basically a revenue we are
If you're a
generating.
businessman, if you're a business, the hardest thing we set up.
Yeah, man, you have enough
that
businessman own
set up-
churches, you know.
to
Businessman.
set up a foundation.
NIS
To
office.
set up a
You
foundation.
can't go in there, you can't step in
Young
the NIS
black
office
youths.
in a shorts. The man
Yeah.
say, yo,
Brother,
yeah, man,
to
fan.
set
Say the
up a
fan. Why am I
foundation.
a tropical
Can you
country?
hear me? I say? To
Why
set
me
up
have
a
to put on a
foundation
pants?
to help young black youths are the hardest thing. You hear me? I say?
True.
So to set up the
Creative.
good thing them to help youths real way are the hardest thing.
Yeah, you hear me I say?
Yeah, man.
Cause pre this.
Yeah.
It's the same like how the system set for kind of hold black people down. I watched one lady the other about 2 years ago. She talked about her experience for opening up her own business.
Yeah,
She
man.
go to the bank to get a loan to start her business. And them turn her down. And then she said by the time she reach out and about the next week, the same bank, I send her a message. I ask her if she want a car loan. You know, the blast message there.
Chop her in the bandage.
If you want a car loan.
Yeah.
So this go back
So,
to what I said earlier.
you know what you do?
About the whole credit card with the youth.
Yes, no man,
Yeah,
and her credit card, man.
What
Man,
she
I'm
do?
not
What
talking
she
about
do?
She
credit
do?
card.
You talk about
She
credit
take
card
the
and car loan.
she take the car
No,
loan.
what does I show you? Yeah,
And
so
open
them
her
tie it to
business.
certain
I
things.
use the car loan open our business.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
makes
I
sense.
show you what them show by you.
So
So them tie it to
it
them
set
look
away for
something there.
them for them
Yeah.
mash up your thing.
Yeah,
Then they
because
say, yeah, go back to the banks them, big boy them.
yeah, cause look
Come on.
on this now.
All
Look
right.
on this now. Hold on. Look on this now. Cause most young youths, you know, them tell you for open up shop, so to speak. You can't when you go to the bank, them more than likely them are turning down because you not have no security, basically. At a bank, you know. But the bank want to get a credit card. So that the next thing you have to go use.
Every man.
Yeah,
Tie
that the next thing you have to use to go set up a shop. Use a credit card, buy goods and all them stuff. And when the interest wall you, my God, only dog them no suffer, man.
What the company
suicide
them
at
say we're
limits.
supposed to help you with shipping and then something there. How it name? That small business thing will help you. Them supposed to help you with. I carry something, man.
Yo, when I want to get a free ad pan the ear, you know.
Nah, man, it's like no, but that's
When I depend that, you know.
See, in order for access, I can't. I go remember it's only can put it in there. Another thing when
We're on the podcast now. You can't understand
in
everything at the chat.
order for access certain things like for set up shipping thing and whatever. In order for you
export. It's easy for import.
Yeah, man, you have
it's easy for import in Salaman, but we are talking about export.
Yeah, easy for import. Yeah, boy, man,
easy for import.
You have things coming in,
import. I keep
but
down,
for
you know, so that easy.
Easy thing for coming in, but things out.
And the thing is, you have a company, you have an organization that was supposed to assist you. Yeah, man, you have an organization supposed to assist you. I think it's a government organization too.
This thing for export in Jamaica.
This thing. But at the same time, you know.
I kill the farming sector, you know.
No, but make Mr. Big Man decide, say, yo, him a go rape 600 black farm and just get it little and nothing and just go to the government and say, yo, may I start export orange, you know. I may start export all sweet potato, you know. In a 2 tools him get it. But may the liquor farmer now take up himself, which is the highest. We are talking about the highest form of slavery. The highest form of slavery now is the farming industry. Which most of the black people rurally that them try use.
Look on the marijuana thing. I be a rich man come in and get
we
license.
never forgot to marijuana.
Poor farmer them I get squeezed out.
We are talking about just normal farmers. How long
so
now?
I like
How
that.
long now? How long now? Cattle sleep, cattle thieving and pray their last and them things that plague the country. How long, brother? And who for one it a plague the most? Who get them things?
Hey, look at small
Tell them
man.
on a jump pro, you thought?
Jam Pro, brother.
Jamaica producers.
Jam Pro is the most classist organization on earth.
They must have the same politician them on them board there, you know. So
Brother, Jam
collect that,
Pro,
you know.
trust me, Jam Pro need to check themselves.
Yo, hey, you talk about pray their last on the core island and who it affect.
Where the next one them name OUR, where the next one Consumer Fears.
Them thing that the biggest
all of them
the
people
island.
were supposed to come. Maybe are you them supposed to watch a little money for now?
But them
of
same
them.
friend at the on the board, them same friend up on the
Same
board. So
set
that,
of
that
same
conflict
set
of
of
interest.
vampire them they're on the board, you know, some white old people.
Why? Look like whenever when I burn out JPS car, we talk about the banks and so I say, oh yeah, I come up with the JPS thing.
No, but all long JPS are rape. All long JPS are rape the country.
Energy bill.
JPS they are overdrive the
redress.
rating, you know, because from the
No
lockdown thing.
redress, you have to pay it.
All long flow and diesel are rape poor people because
but that's why we mentioned
I think the man them wicked to the point, the man them outsource call center, brother. You can't get through.
Yeah, man.
We mentioned automated.
Imagine that.
Yo, you never understand. The man keep
you
as far as possible. Yo.
That's why we mentioned say
but Salaman,
9 to 5 them, you know.
Since Jamaica have too much call center, why JPS have an outsourced call center to outside of Jamaica? And Jamaica have too much call center.
Because guess what? Them have to keep you as far as possible from getting the right information, you know, to the point where you live in a Kingston.
Probably is a case of
JPS upon Root Van Road. Yeah, JPS upon Root Van Road.
Yeah.
And it's better you call the call center than go Root Van Road, you know, brother.
Yeah.
Probably
understand what the man do.
When I mention, you know, the OUR are the next.
Some of them,
are the next.
You have to call out them name. Office of what? Utilities and
regulations.
I don't know who them are.
You know, them are work with the utility companies. And them alone there. You have other places where them really make a sense and them collect money on the them collect money on the fast pretense. Ministry of Labor and next one too.
Brother, Ministry
of Labor are the next one.
With the
NIS. I read the NIS. Alright, let me show you something.
The farmer.
No man, alright, let me show you. Let me show you please. Hold on, teacher. Let me show you something. It's a real situation with one of my brethren. I'm not calling the company name. Because the company, you know, during the lockdown, you know, the people, when doing lockdown, you can't get to go work. You know, the people tell the people to do, them have to come and work. If they come and work, they want to take it out on a vacation. And if they want to take it out on a vacation, they're not getting pay feet.
The lockdown are going and they might tell us you have to go to work, brother.
You have to come and work. And the thing is that you can't go to Ministry of Labor and complain.
Which workplace that you do? Where that?
Weird.
No,
we can't call
Which industry? Which industry? Security.
No, I retail industry, man. I know a call center. A call center have the same mentality.
And I'm a chin place, eh?
I want to it's a black man place.
Why?
No.
Oh, man.
When I Mr. We didn't call a slave driver them. When I Mr. Uncle Tom.
Yeah, I can tell you, even the one them can't tell you the wholesale them at Portmore. Them are the worst one in it. Enough complaining get a Ministry of Labor about them people with overtime hours.
Maternity leave.
Then we say you have a standard. You have a standard week hours, which is 40 hours. Yeah. That's just that.
You see the food industry.
Yeah.
Pregnant lady have to stand up.
Yeah. A 1 week maternity leave from again.
That's how you forget so much. Somebody the next day I forgot back.
If you don't go back and get fired, you know that.
Where say you know 1 week alone, I'm a
Huh? Where say?
Where say 1 week alone, I'm a girl?
I'm going to give me money. You know
where? You know which organization should be ashamed of themselves? You say Artrust NTA. Artrust NTA. if you do a course at
Education
Archers
tax, go, man.
yo,
Portion
if
to the money,
you
man.
do a course at Archers NTA, and all chances are you finish all the course and know you're
10
gonna
years to
apply
get the
for your job.
certificate. 10
You're
years to
gonna
get the
apply for your
certificate.
job.
Eh.
I know you're not get that job if them say oh them need the physical.
Certificate. Yeah, man. Them
Certificate.
put
So
out
why
the
them-
certificate. Me
Why
can tell you that straight.
it take so long for get a certificate?
What do you mean why them take so long? Because end of the day it's just a bag of big fat bureaucrats sit down and them big fat
And bear in
bureaucrat
mind,
rump. And
Archers
do
get
nothing.
money from international donors, you know, for run.
Brother,
Only for money, teachers, you
brother,
know.
the
Me know,
biggest
man.
of friendship
Only for
thing
money.
in a Archers, because I guess we're going Archers will outsource all a little company if you do all some training. And he's a little friend. And you
Yeah,
send a
man.
little friend to do whatever them do. And then whatever for go on, like a friend that calls close to all $5 million enough. Y'all are 6
Yeah, man.
weeks.
Yeah, man. Only for
Course.
money.
Easy,
build
easy.
out this, so.
And
Yeah,
so
man.
when
That's
the little yes, and that friend for make sure them do transcript, recommendation, certificates.
How worries that?
Worried.
Yeah, man. Certificate.
So, go on there, no,
Certification
go
with
on,
people not
say-
get them certificate.
I
I
want to
know.
talk about what is true emancipation, you know. How we as black people, how we as the black masses, how do we really achieve our
My
so what
point
does
is,
real
Jamaica
emancipation
has
look like?
we never
As a
have to
rap-
continue. You never have
a
to
rap-
continue.
we
That's
wrap
going
up,
now.
you know.
Wrap up.
Let me
this.
just give your mind quick and fast.
Yeah, man, got you.
Jamaica is the only black country in this hemisphere that has not gone through a proper revolution in the 1960s when revolution was the thing. Between 1940s to 1970s, we were docile.
Yeah.
Everything got quelled. We don't go through a proper reorganization of the system, which means a proper revolution, a proper civil revolution. Bridges have to burn, buildings have to burn. We have to storm the Bastille.
Yeah.
Napoleon head have to go up on the spike. That's all me say.
Actually, King Louis, you know what? Jerry, got you.
King Louis, sorry. King Louis.
King Louis, yeah.
Got you,
Hey,
Jerry.
hey, that's why I'm about talk, you know. That's why I'm about
Here
talk.
to the youths.
Yo, boy, I not even know how what we can do to fix it, because as Solomon mentioned, the mighty dollar is what is being used to drive slavery now, and we are in a situation where if we don't have no money, basically as a dog name supper, it's now up to the people to either realize that this don't make no sense and fix what we need to fix as the people, because one, politician not fix it, church not fix it, education not fix it. So we're between a hard and a rock and a hard place as a people. I don't know what can be done. All I can say is we have to do what we have to do as a people. And it's going to come back down to, as something they mentioned, Solomon mentioned in a first season, we're in a period of Darwinism. Just the fittest of the fittest are going to survive right now.
Mm-hmm.
And it's sad to say we're there, so, but I just the harsh reality right now. I don't know what else can be done.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright then. What really can be done here is basically the control mindset of a change, you know. I remember me before the start of the podcast, I said, power changes everything, and once a black man going into power, you know, different set I may see, because the different set that I may go see. So I think the culture of a change, there's no quick fix. All I can say to people is just read a book and all those stuff. As the fittest of the fittest of where Giroud said.
I read a book alone or apply the knowledge of the book.
Yeah, apply the knowledge or whatever. Yeah, when you read a book, you have to apply. You know. But you have to just have to just read a book. Because as we say, human nature.
What kind of book?
As we said, when we say is human nature, once a human get power, then you know. Yeah. Once the mountain climb higher, you don't know where thing go. Alright, that's it.
Alright, yeah, man. So I'm gonna deal with it really quick. This myth of emancipation Well, look, you know,
Ladies, them say you are
still going to continue.
What?
Them say we have Vision 2030, and we're supposed to be a so-called first world country by then, but we're far from that. That's not achievable. Revolution have to go on. As Solomon say, the time is now. The people are frustrated at the lockdown. Certain set of people have make money. You have people that turn millionaire in the lockdown in Jamaica. Yeah? Black man, probably black man in night too, but mostly so-called lighter shade of people. Yeah, them still make money same way. Come like lockdown not affect them at all. Big boys and banks are benefit same way. Poor man who supposed to live in the informal economy not to make it. So look like we kind of arrived to a revolution. Hey, right now anything can happen. Social media, they are full still. We can use it to your advantage for communicate and mobilize yourself. And that's what I see it now still. We arrived to a revolution. Yeah, me that. Teacher.
Man. So, as I say, it's like we're in an economic slavery same way. The whips for them use and the mechanisms to keep us down, they're not done away with. They're just more modern, more up to date. You see me? But basically they're not new form of slavery. So in terms of the way forward, we have to say some of the time we reflect back on the teaching of Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey talked about black financial independence, as in he promoted more black-owned business. So we as black people, we need to try and own more of our business. If you check it, most of the businesses in Jamaica, most of them are overseas owned. Right? Most of the banks, most of the manufacturers, you know, most of the producers, they're not, most of the hotels, they're not owned by Jamaicans.
It should be paid forward as well.
Yeah, man.
Forward.
And we need to also support more black businesses. You see me? We can always think about everything that come from overseas, which is imports, better. We need to start regard and value what we produce as the ultimate. And
alright, so give me right after the
So no revolution, Mr. Nkuva.
Give me a couple
of revolution, man.
Give me a couple
It's
black.
It's a mental revolution, not because basically a mental slavery.
Couple of black owned business where I feel like righteousness are going in there and them are do what them supposed to do. And that's a black owned business. Oh.
You deaf, man. You deaf.
That's a one.
That's
so
one
to who own
I try to educate the people through the podcast.
Who own Ada so?
The soul place, you know, I don't know if I check
China
it
people want to say no?
Yeah.
China, man, yeah.
Alright, so we don't own none of them little wipes place.
I said most of the business them what we see.
People in the
Oh, no, I
podcast,
like
right?
the tissue people, the tissue people,
Who owns some
name,
tissue, man?
one tissue company.
Scott.
Yeah, Sophie.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's the black man owns Sophie.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah,
say
that's black man.
The comments.
Yo, some people can't buy more Sophie.
we could start from the
Sophie.
thing.
Give some. Who own Ashley?
Ashley
Ashley
Lotion.
Farrington, bro.
Ashley Farrington.
Ashley Furniture.
Nah, man. So
Farrington.
who are the local furniture place?
China man, I look at this
That's
place,
black people. A black man own Mr. Tire though. Tire warehouse. I own that.
No, brother.
No, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we have to do some research for now on Solomon.
Yeah, do some
research.
One thing there.
Some better from Western one now.
The bad car place. A super. Where the car dealership now one spread like wildfire now, man, with everywhere.
Which one?
What name? A superior parts.
What, your car, man?
Yeah, no local, not black man owns superior parts.
Yeah, man, is a black man own it, but the part them come from foreign.
Yeah, but
yeah, things will come from foreign,
like,
but black man own the business.
Yeah,
Things will come from foreign.
Yeah, but the money still have to go with the foreign.
Yeah, but
we're
when
not about local ones. The money will stay here, you see me?
yeah.
But remember, I said remember the spot. No, but remember, I said part
St.
same
Mary's
time.
banana chips. Who owns St. Mary's?
Something there. What do you mean, man?
Jamaican
Dominican Republic.
Jamaican Republic that come from?
Check the label of banana chips there, boy.
So the Jamaican, hold on.
Oh, yeah, St. Mary's banana chips. Is a Dominican company?
Or banana, whatever.
The banana come from Dominican Republic.
Who owns Chippies?
I think Chippies is probably local.
Well, we have to check out them things. They are good.
Chippies local, but
Jero, got you.
Yo. Who owns Nationals?
Thanks for tuning in. for another episode of Bar Talk JA. Give thanks for the view. Give thanks for the likes. Yeah. Bless up. Peace and love.
Out.
Up. One love. Big up.